Hey Zeus, hey Cornelius, what are you guys up to? So I recently had someone comment and say, you do a lot of cat-related toys. And I went, uh-huh. So in honor of that, we need some kitty power. Kitty power? Oh my. Oh, I'm so excited. A new series or litter of Aphmau meows. This series, elementals. I can't wait. I say, let's open them up. Welcome to Z's Toy Box. I'm Z, this is Cornelius, and y'all know Zeus. And today we are bringing you the latest series / litter of the Aphmau meow series. So this is the series of the smallest. They also make like a plushie this big and then a big plushie. These are the smaller mystery box, like the plastic versions. I love these. I've been kind of collecting them on and off for a while. I know we have videos we did the sea creature litter, which is still down in my little tiki room. And then I think the last one we did was the gemstone series. So they were all like translucent gems, but then also had like a sun and moon and an amazing rainbow one. When I saw they made elemental, the little witchy me went, I need. So this series, there are 8 to collect. I need to make sure I get one of each. So we have a lot to unbox. So we're just gonna get right to it and just start ripping, tearing, and pray we eventually end up with at least 8 different ones. Let's do this, Zeus. For the first one, we will open up the little pamphlet that shows you all 8 to collect. You have water, earth, fire, air, lightning, ice, light, and dark. I'm very okay with this elemental system. All right, as always, they come in this cute Aphmau logo paper. What are we starting with? Ooh, water. Ooh, it's like shiny and sparkly. This is the light cap. Oh, yes! Oh my God, this is the one I wanted most, and I love it. That's me. In my practices, when it comes to earth as an element, I go with just rock, stone, gem, versus like plant matter, because to me that's living, that's something different. But I just love anything covered in moss. Listen, I started a moss garden, moss patch in my backyard, because moss. Fire! Ah! No doubles yet? I jinxed that. Ooh, oh, lightning cat. Listen, I've always said electricity is its own element. It gets like thrown in with fire a lot and it's totally different. And I just love lightning, so I needed this cat in my life. The ice cat. Another earth kitty. Now is when the doubles start happening and I cry. Another lightning. Another water. Another earth kitty. Ow! Sometimes when Zeus isn't getting the attention he demands at that moment, he just takes a nibble out of whatever he can reach. That was currently my thigh. Ow. Fire. Oh! Oh my God, he has little bat wings. And like 3 tails? What? I don't understand, but I love him. Only one we need is air. We only have 2 more left. I is this scared. Another dark. Another light kitty. Well, here we have the Aphmau Elemental series. I gotta say, I am so sad. I thought with the number, what do we got? 15, I thought I could have got at least 1 complete set, but I am still missing air. The whole, my witchy vibes, that is me, and cats. I love them, and I'm, as soon as I am finished recording, I will be going right to the interwebs and trying to find and purchase the air cat, because I need the complete elemental set. Overall, I'm in love with these. They will literally be getting put in a circle, and yeah, there may be a little cat pentacle in my library. Thanks so much for watching, and make sure you tune in next time for more random finds, random mysteries, and who knows what else. Spoiler alert, I love these so much. I may have to summon some plushie versions of them. Yeah, so stay tuned for that. And we will see you later. Bye! And here we have the Aphmau Mystery Meows, Litter 7, the Elementals. Cats plus elemental magic just makes my little witchy heart happy. And magically, there's a full set. Now you can see the Air Kitty, because yes, right after filming, I went online to find the last one I needed. So, full set. My little elemental kitty summoning circle is complete.